Hello everyone, welcome back. So here is the third question of the set where we are supposed to find out the number of cubes with no color on it is less than the number of cubes with at least one color on it. This one is quite simple question. See that the cuboid that you have is having a length of 6 centimeter and height of 3 centimeter and width of 5 centimeter. Okay. So this is the cuboid that we have. This is a width of 5 centimeter, right? So when you cut this complete cuboid into the cubes of 1 centimeter each, you see the total number of cubes that you will have would be 6 into 5 into 3 is equal to n number of cubes with a side of 1, width of 1 and height of 1. So the total number of cubes that you will be able to take out from it would be 6 into 5 into 3 divided by 1 into 1 into 1. That means total number of cubes will be 90. So 90 is the total number of cubes that you will be getting from it. Now out of these 90 cubes, how many cubes you will be getting which will have no color on it? See that any cube which have a surface exposed to the outside, right, will definitely have a one face painted on it, right? Or will definitely have a one face paint for sure, right? If I'm looking for a cuboid, if I'm looking for the cubes which does not have, which do not have any face painted, will be coming from the inside part. For example, cube coming from the face will definitely have one color on it. Cube coming from the edge will have two color on it. Cubes coming from the corner will be having three colors on it, right? So if I'm looking for a cube which do not have any face painted, will be coming from the inside part. So that means out of this 6 into 5 into 3 centimeter, if I take a one layer from this side, if I cut one layer from this side and one layer from the other side, I will be left with a length of 4 centimeter, right? So there will be a cube inside, right? I'm making that cube here, right? Let me, you'll not be able to understand if I make it here. Let me show you it with a different color. So I'm looking for the cubes which do not have any color on it. That's only possible when you cut 1 centimeter lengthwise, 1 centimeter widthwise from the both side and 1 centimeter height wise from the both side. That means if I take a small cube from the inside part, a small cube that has been taken from the inside part with 1 centimeter cut on both side will be giving you all the cubes which do not have any colors on it. For example, this length is 6. I cut 1 centimeter from here and 1 centimeter from here. So I'll be left with a cube of 4 centimeter. This length is 5 centimeter. I cut 1 centimeter from this side and 1 centimeter from the other side. You will be left with a width of 3 centimeter. The height is 3 centimeter. 1 centimeter is cut from the upper part, 1 centimeter is cut from the lower part. You will be left with a height of 1 centimeter. So now how many cubes you will be able to take out from this complete cuboid? 4 into 3 into 1. The number of cubes that you will be able to cut from this inside cube. So what I'm doing is I'm cutting a layer on from every side. For example, look at your room in which you are sitting in. If the complete length is 6 centimeter, if I cut 1 centimeter from this side, 1 centimeter from this side, you will be having a cube with a length of 4 centimeter which is completely inside the room, for which none of the face is exposed to the outside part. So that cube will not have any color on it. So a 6 centimeter length, 1 centimeter cut on both sides will give you a smaller cube of length 4 centimeter. Similarly, 1 centimeter cut from the bottom side, 1 centimeter cut from the top side, you will have a length of width of 1 centimeter. If the height is 3, 1 is cut from the bottom, 1 is cut from the top, height will be 1. Similarly, width wise, the width is 5 centimeter, 1 centimeter cut from this side, 1 centimeter cut from this side. Inside you will have a cube with a 3 centimeter width. Now what is the total number of cubes you will be getting from it? 4 into 3 into 1, that is 12 centimeter. Number of cubes that you'll be able to take from this cube would be 4 into 3 into 1. These are the 12 cubes which will not have any side painted. Okay, I have 12 cubes in total. Out of these 12 cubes, 12 do not have any face painted. So I'm left with 78 cubes, which will definitely have at least one side painted. So these 78 cubes will have either one side or two side or three side painted. Four side is painted is not possible in a cube, right? If you are painting it from the outside. So 78 cubes have at least one color. These are the cubes which have at least one color, at least one color. And these 12 are the cubes which do not have any color. So the difference of the cubes with at least one color and the cubes which with no color will be equal to 66. So 66 is the answer of the question. That's the answer of it. 66 is the answer of the question, right? The number of cubes with the difference of the number of cubes with at least one side paint and with no side paint. 66 is the answer. You don't require the colors on the different faces to solve this question. So very standard and basic question to solve. That's it. So cube color and painting, we have discussed every type of question. Previous to this video, right? Previous to the discussion of this set, I have two more videos on color, cube and painting where two different sets have been covered. So for the basics as well as for the a different concept of cubes, color and painting, you can also watch those videos. I will be putting the links of those videos in the description part of the video, so you can access those videos from the description part. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you then in the next video. We'll be picking some new questions, new set from the next video. Thank you, and please share it with all of your friends, subscribe to the channel and like the video, and you can comment any doubts that you have in the comment section of the video. Thank you.